Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the now supplements, Betaine HCl 648 mg, vegetarian formula, 120 veg capsules. Apparently you need to be very careful with how much protein you eat before you take this product. This MD does not even have basic abilities to approach problems logically, which led me to try something that directly contradicts this diagnosis. It's been great. Bye-bye heartburn, bye-bye over-the-counter medicines, and all their added side effects. A great addition to a SIBO, or low FODMAP diet, or for the GAPS diet protocol. Stress can really add to this, so if you're deal with it, learn to calm your nerves via meditation, or similar, or take a supplement to help you overcome stress such as GABA. This keeps food sitting in the stomach, and keeps the stomach full of food, and full of constant pressure. It seems as though many medical groups believe that acid reflux has been figured out, and that PEs and fundoplication surgeries are the way to go. To put it simply, you need to take 27 of these every meal, depending on the meal, and how inefficient your stomach is. You may want to pay close attention to your stomach, and see if anything changes for you. Going to the doctors to gain some insight, and get some help to get your life back on track to no avail. This product has really helped me with that awful feeling of being bloated after eating a meal. Even a small-sized meal would leave me feeling bloated for hours. This is a synthetic product, and is not betaine hydrochloride derived from a natural source. Supposedly it also makes the nutrients in the food more available to your gut as well. Apparently, some foods have to be broken down in the stomach before it enters the intestines where most of the immune system is. Went from 145 to 190 in that time period, fortunately not all fat padding, and able to be a legitimate athlete again. They may work a hint better, but these have no stink, and are easy to manage. If sleeplessness occurs, back off the melatonin for a few days, sleep like a rock. The only drawback is you need to take it before each meal. Sometimes he can be forgetful about taking it. Nice to find on the internet, being drive to stores do not have on hand. Disappointed to have to throw most the bottle away, but it had turned a dark color, and smelled of rotten eggs. Very happy with this product, and it's a great value for the price. Really helps to digest proteins for those that have low stomach acid. Great quality product. For anyone that thinks they have heartburn, and or if you bloat after a meal, this is the fix. Moved on to these since they are cheaper to see how well they would work, and they work well too. There is some ever so slight abdominal discomfort about 510 minutes before you need to go to the bathroom. Do your homework, follow the plan, and you'll get great results without the detrimental effects of low stomach acid. You're often told the opposite by conventional doctors, and in fact you might be prescribed something to decrease your stomach acid. Now is a very good brand, and these capsules do the job they should do. The closer you can get to eating a raw non-processed diet, the better off you'll be, and feel. If you have heartburn, but antacids only make it worse, it's possible your stomach isn't producing enough acid. Any product that can help the liver, and take some of the load off the liver is good. Went to a regular doctor, and a gastroenterologist, and had every test known to the medical profession. The product might be fine, but since it didn't work for me, it is hard to tell. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.